This is the finished product. So there's 4 parts. There's the horn, there's the handle, there's the pommel, and there's all the electronics. So the electronics in itself has the battery in the middle, ultraviolet LED in the end, and an on-off switch. So turning it on and turning it off. Quite simple. There's no soldering or anything. It's all just pressure fitted, and it works very well. So this handle, future versions, I will need to change it. The thread is just a little bit makes it too thin on the inner wall, so that has come off a few times and I've had to glue it back on. Originally I just had the one hole in there where the LED pokes out of. I made that slightly larger just so it doesn't get stuck. I mean, it still worked, but I wanted it just to go in and out better. And I added an extra hole here, an additional hole, and what that's for is once you've put it in, if you want to get it out again to change the batteries, rather than pushing down on the LED to get it out, you can push something in there, a little stick or whatever, and then that can push the tube out so you can access the batteries. So let me just assemble it for you so you can see. So first of all, we put the electronics in here. Okay, and LED's not quite up there yet, but there we go. Okay, so now it's sort of flush with the end there, and I think I can actually go just a little bit more. There we go. Okay, so that's how it is. So then later when I want to get it out of there, all I need to do is push something into that hole, and it will come out. So now that we've got that there, I'm gonna screw in the pommel, so that just slips on, and then locks that into place, and that is going over where the switch is. So now that this whole insert, the electronics, can't just slip out. It's how it is, and light still works. And this is glow in the dark filament that I used, and you can see it's just hollow all the way down there. Now in the future I will need to change the hollowing, how I did it, because I came too close to the edge here. You can see that it actually, yeah, came through. Now for this purpose, I'm not too concerned. It is a gift for a 4-year-old, so I don't think they will be so upset with that. But then this goes in there, and then you screw it together till it ends, and that is it. And now you can turn on the UV light, and that will be charging it. And then when you turn it off, ooh, and of course if it's darker, it will show up much nicer. In the nighttime it looks great, and obviously the more you charge it, the better it goes as well. But I feel like this has been a great success for my unicorn horn wand. In the future, I think I'll make this just a little bit bigger, just like by a mill, so that it can stand up flat like that. Actually, it is standing up, so, but it's just touching. I think it's because this is a bit of a softer surface, but on a hard surface it wobbles just a little bit. more, and I'd like that to just be really flush. But there we go. Unicorn horn wand, complete and functional.